Hey guys, it's not Christmas yet, but we have a surprise for you. Come check it out. On the homepage, you will see a few ready-made prompts here. For example, if I wanted to create an e-commerce store, I'll just type this in and it will immediately go to a chat box. Once I'm inside, I can see my recent projects right here, and I'll be able to create a new one just by clicking on templates, scrolling through a new template, or even just typing in a prompt to describe what I want to build, which is to build a hair salon site. And on the right hand side, you can see the remainder of credits. I've just bought an additional 200 credits, but for free trials, you will by default get 3 free credits every single day. And over here, you can also see your plan, your workspace, and so on. And the booking platform is up. So right now, they've come up with a name for me. It's a modern booking platform designed for hair salons. And down here at the scope, I can decide what I want to build exactly. Is it just a website? Is it just authentication, forms? Is it a full app? Or do I need an admin dashboard as well for me to kind of curate what my customers see? Now, because I am just looking to build a functional website, I don't need a database or authentication yet. What I want to do is really to market my site out there and to let my customers see my contact information, my opening hours, and so on and so forth. So let's just stick with the marketing site for this one. Immediately, it brings me into the preview page where it's building my application from scratch. And down here, they actually have an overview of your product requirement document, also known as your PRD. So the reason why this is generated is to prevent our system from missing out any details or any components that you might need. So over here, you have the core features, you have the pages, the visual design. Of course, I could have edited it beforehand, but for me, I feel like what it came up with is already very good. I do want to go for a modern luxury salon, so I'm very happy with this. They've also come out with the things that I might need, such as super base real-time subscriptions and mobile first booking flow, which is very intuitive as most users scroll using their phones instead of laptops nowadays. Right now, we can see what they're doing and how many files they're building, so I'm just gonna wait till it comes up. So right now, while it's building the live preview right here in the chat box, let's explore what else we can do. Over here is a light and dark mode. So if I wanted to switch it to light mode, I can just click on this button and it would change. This is the templates button, while this would search anything in my account and my dashboard. Over here, you can also see the version history once you have done and made a few changes. And you can also switch from desktop to mobile view. If you have used WordPress or Squarespace before, this would be pretty similar. And now over here, if I expand on it, I can actually see what they've done. So hero section, features, how it works, pricing, testimonials, FAQ, as well as the contact section. Also the shared mock data because I haven't provided it with any real data. And here are the suggested follow-ups, as in I can just add my super base, my portfolio gallery if I have other photos, and also my stylist team section, which is really nice. And it's finally done. Now, we can choose to continue, but let's take a look at the site itself first. So right now we're automatically on mobile. Let's switch it to desktop. So you can see that, oh, the logo is actually really good. And there's like how it works, pricing, testimonials, contact, and sign in, as well as book now. They can choose to book their appointment immediately, and it came up with some mock data. I would say that the images and the design is so good. So I just want to make sure that all the pages are functional, because when I click book now, nothing happens. So I just need to provide them with sufficient information and also the right contact details. Services, either in a PDF or a CSV file, which I can just add down here by add file. Now, I'm going to assume that I own a salon. I'm going to use their website to put in the details. I also want to continue with decor and authentication and make sure that all my details are accurate. So I'm just going to send this in. So while it's building, it actually tells me what it's doing. So right now, phase 1 to 3 is done, and it automatically asks me to continue with phase 4 and phase 5. So I'm just going to click continue, and it will just finish from there. After this, it will also upgrade to a full application, including an admin panel in phase 5. So I'm just going to let it build phase by phase. And this ensures that not only each stage of your application is fully done and that you can check through it and make amendments when you require. Right now, it's creating 12 files, which is a lot. And this is a huge website. So we're just going to let it work its magic. Let's go through the preview page and see what we can do here. Over here, right next to the preview, you can see the code and also the connectors. For me, myself, I'm not a developer, so I usually wouldn't see the code, but I do care about the connectors, as in whether my Stripe is connected, my Google Maps API, Google Analytics, Twilio and Resend is for SMS and also email notifications. Anthropic, OpenAI, or OpenRouter APIs if you need that in your website as well. You can also add your own environment variable. You can just immediately add it here instead. And it's done. I must say I'm actually really impressed. The name, and when I check the testimonials, it's actually very accurate, as in like these are Malaysian names and what they do. And the reviews are actually very authentic. When it comes to the contact, this is their WhatsApp and their contact number, as well as their email address and their opening hours. So I would say that it's actually really good. All we need to do now is to contact the Supabase for this form and continue to the core plus authentication. So I would say that I'm ready to publish this, and I can just continue and improve it as I go, but this is ready to use. So to publish it, I'll just click on this publish button right here. And even on a free plan, this is completely free. Like, you won't need to pay for a domain or a website. You can just publish it and share it immediately to your customers. And in just a few seconds, it's published. So let's kind of take a look. Wow, okay, so good. I'm so happy. So all I need to do is just copy this link and share it with my customers after this. And to go back to where I'm editing it, right now it's still improving my site. So if I wanted to publish the new edits, what I would need to do is just click on publish update again. And in case, let's say I decide to close my website, or I didn't want my customers to see it as I was improving it, I would just click on unpublish right here. So right now, let's just wait until it finishes so that I can publish the new update and share it with my friends. Here we go. I'll just go to beauty and personal care. And once here, I will look at the existing templates and pick one that I really like. So this one looks really good. Let me just scroll through it and see what they have. Even the different pages flow really nicely. So far, I'm really liking it. So I'm going to just click use this template to make it mine and add my own branding features in. So that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed the preview, and I'm going to take a look at my hair salon website and see what else needs to be done. But while I'm doing that, why don't you guys go ahead and try out the new site live on monsterx.com right now. Go sign up for free, no credit card needed, and no limits. Play around with it and give me some feedback. Now, let's start by signing up.